What's going on, everybody? It's Redneck Cook. We got something real cool going on tonight. We're gonna make homemade seafood gumbo. We're gonna have about 4 or 5 different kinds of meat in it and stuff, and it's gonna be just awesome. So sit back and check it out. Got us a pan nice and hot. Time to add a cup of flour. Woo! Alright. We're gonna get this roux going. It's gonna take us about 45 minutes. We gotta get it nice and dark. There we go. Got ourselves the nice consistency of mud, what it looks like. Time for veggies. We got onions, we got celery, we got okra. We still got red and green peppers. 5 minutes. Can't forget about that garlic. Yeah. There we go. 5 minutes. Time to add 6 cups of stock. And a whole beer. Usually it takes a bit of amber. I'm using Yingling. 2 bay leaves. Cayenne, salt, Cajun seasoning, Slappy Mama, and gumbo filet. Yeah. And 1 tablespoon of washing your sister sauce. Then to go in, this is going to be 1 8-ounce thing. This is crab meat, claw meat. Alright, last but not least, we got 1 pound of alligator smoked sausage. I'm going to let him go ahead and start going now. And he's going to just nestle up in there with everything. We'll be back in an hour. Yeah, buddy. He's looking good. I'll set y'all down for this. Next, 1 pound of crawfish tails. One pound of alligator. Yeah, buddy. What's cool is that gator will actually cook similar to the way fish does. So, we got that going on. And then jumbo lump crab meat. There we go. All right, here we go. Got everybody in the pot. We're gonna kick him out on for another 10 minutes, and then we're gonna be ready to go. All right, we got the finished product in the bowl. Check him out. We got that gator, we got that crawfish, that gator sausage, and 2 different types of crab meat. So, the gator wants to be tough. Just act tough. Bronx already took a bite of it a minute ago. He ain't tough at all. Oh my God, it's so good. I wish there was some smell-o-vision going on right here for y'all.
as always, if you want to keep up, hit that share and that subscribe button, and go ahead and hit that like while you're at it. Thanks for watching. Peace.